Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Pure Honey wig by BelleTress in the color Mocha with Cream. I'm going to stand way back for the beginning of this, and then I'll come in to show you some more of the details. But I just want to make sure I'm getting this entire wig in the shot because it's really, really long. The overall length on Pure Honey is about 22 inches in the back, and that's uncurled. So this is, even when it's curled, which is how it comes out of the box, it is definitely a boob hugger. So let me go ahead and show you the length on this. It's very pretty. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and do my 360 now, right up front, so you can see what this one looks like on all sides. And in full disclosure, I have not combed this wig. I don't really advocate, if you want to keep this texture, combing it. Instead, just kind of break it up with your fingers, which is all I've done here, to kind of loosen up the curls and make it look a little less wiggy. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and turn around for you. Okay, I'm going to slowly come in here for you so you can kind of see more of the wig. This one's very cute. The cut reminds me a lot of the Brianna by Envy. Yeah, just a bit. It's really, really cute. This is a heat-friendly synthetic wig because it's part of their Cafe collection. And all of the Cafe collection wigs have really gorgeous colors, as you can probably tell when I got really close. This Mocha with Cream is one of my favorites, which is why I've demoed it probably more than any of their other colors. But as you can see, it's just this really gorgeous caramel brown with little hints of medium golden brown. And then on top of that, you get this really luscious sort of butterscotch blonde. Oh, it just goes so well with that base color. And then the roots are a medium brown there. Actually, that looks like a dark brown. So let me double check in the mirror. Yeah, that's a dark brown root on this. So really beautiful color. It's warm, but it's not brassy. Looks a bit overall kind of like, you know, J-Lo hair color. I mean, that's totally a compliment because she has great hair. So beautiful, beautiful wig. This is kind of a heavy one. It weighs 6.6 ounces, but that's because, I mean, look at all that hair. You're getting a ton of hair, so that hair weighs something. On top of that, the bangs are 8 inches. So that's this short layer right here. It just kind of naturally gets swept up in the rest of the layering, which is cut to frame the face until you get a little further down and then, oh, curls. How pretty. So let me go ahead and take Pure Honey off so I can show you the cap construction. So Pure Honey has a lace front that is completely hand-tied and a monofilament top that is also hand-tied. And then we've got open wefts on the sides, open wefts in the back. We have an extended nape that's covered in kind of like this black French lace. And then also we have an adjuster back here that's a bit like a bra strap. And the ear tabs are covered in black lace as well. So this has a really nice monotop. I mean, really nice. Look at those knots. Hopefully that'll focus. Focus. There we go. Look how little. It's awesome. And then here is that texture in the back up close. Oh, such pretty, pretty hair. I mean, if you heat style this, because this is a heat-friendly synthetic wig, if you heat style this wig, you're going to have to curl it again to get it to take this shape once more. So just so you know. And if you want to preserve this shape over the long term, the same applies for a lot of long curly wigs, so hear this out. If you have even a regular synthetic wig that came to you curly and seems to have lost some of that curl, okay, like this will over time because of gravity, it'll just kind of naturally loosen up and kind of straighten out. This also happens a lot on the Amber by John Renaud. You'll want to wrap that hair in curlers, you know, not hot curlers, but just curlers that sort of match the direction that the hair is already going and the basic width that the hair has already been curled to conform to. Do that as it's drying. So like after you wash your wig, wrap it in some curlers to preserve that curl pattern. So you're not putting anything new into it, you're just trying to refresh the curl pattern that gravity is trying to take from you. And that will also work with a wig like this. Now, if you wanted a different curl pattern or you wanted to straighten it out, that would require heat styling. I'm gonna go ahead and put Pure Honey back on now. Also, another thing I always say in all these videos about the heat-friendly synthetics, make sure you get some kind of leave-in treatment with silicone in it, so that way your wigs don't get too frizzy at the bottoms too fast. But there you go. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous wig. You know, just bear in mind, heat-friendly synthetic, maybe you might need a little bit of extra love and care to keep it going for a while, but it's really gorgeous and the fiber feels wonderful right out of the box. Here is that lace front. Again, very thick lace front, very well done mono features on this wig. So I like these BelleTress wigs. They're actually very good. So this is the Pure Honey by BelleTress in the color Milk with Cream, which I highly recommend. It is a beautiful color. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching my videos. Hopefully you'll check out my wig store if you get a chance. It's just CysterWigs.com, otherwise known as CysterWigs. And until next time, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.